Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I will be reviewing the Walmart brand writing desk to see if it has good quality. Let's get into it. So the first thing I did was try to open this package as fast as I could, and I used a knife to help me open it. Getting this open was much harder than it looks. Whenever you get it open, make sure to put whatever you used. I use a knife. Make sure you put that away so that you don't hurt your foot or whatever. So once you get it open, you'll see the desk, the legs, and the tools you'll need to put the desk together. So here is what the desk looked like. I turned it this way to see if there was any scratches on it or anything before I started, and there were not. It was just foam. You can dust that off, and it's really good quality. So this is what the desk looks like on the bottom. There is a drawer, and I will talk more about that later in the video. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up. So the first instruction was to flip the desk over to where the drawer was facing you in order to put the legs on. Be sure to follow the instructions. And this kind of had a weird smell. I don't know if it was because it just came out of the factory or whatever, but it smelled really weird. And y'all, there was a bird feather in my package, like a legit bird feather with dirt in it. Anyway, what you'll do with the legs is you'll put them in on all four sides. Make sure you put them in the right way, and then you'll be ready to screw them in. Once you have them on all four sides, you're ready to screw them in, and it did come with the screws that you need and the Allen key you need to tighten them with. So I twisted them in with my hand first, and then I tightened them with the Allen key that came in the box with the desk. When you get done with all 4 legs, you flip the desk over and stand it up. So this is what it looks like, and the drawer pulls out from the bottom. There isn't like a handle on it or anything. One thing I wish is that the drawer would be able to pull out more and be slightly bigger. As you can see, it's only the size of about both of my hands put together. I'm going to be putting the desk over here. So I'm going to be moving this nightstand out of my room, mainly because I don't use it and it's too small to work on. But yeah, I'm going to move the desk over here so you guys can see what it looks like. Here is the desk in my room. I love the way it looks. I put my candle and everything on it, and it just looks so good. Thank you guys so much for watching. Be sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thanks.